everyone, it's Patty from the studio again. It's a follow-up to yesterday's video of my first Thrift with Me haul video at my local St. Vincent de Paul. It's a little haul, but I think it's a mighty haul. It's got some good potential, and I'll show you why. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and check it out. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, and I'll put a link up here somewhere for yesterday's video. Stay tuned. Here is the little haul from yesterday. As I've mentioned, it was my first time filming while I was thrifting, so I might not have been as focused as I usually am, and there were some things when I look back when I was editing that I was like, oh shoot, maybe should have picked those up, but I didn't, and that's okay. They'll probably be there. This store doesn't have a huge turnover, and the prices sometimes are a little higher, but it's charity, so I'm okay with that. So let's check out what I got, and I'll show you the research I found out as well. First are these Lenox Christmas cups, mugs, coffee mugs, and I always do well with mugs. You can price them well, they're easy to ship. Lenox on its own doesn't do that much for me sometimes. I think Lenox is just so oversaturated in the market, but these are unusual, really pretty, good condition, and they have deck the halls and naughty or nice. Great condition, obviously marked Lenox. I don't think it's a current design. I think it's discontinued, which is great if people collect a certain type of Lenox. You can add to your collection. So here's some of the research I found on these Lenox mugs. Next up is this Otagiri unicorn vase in a black glass and metallic. As I mentioned in the video, I do very well with Otagiri. No matter what it is, it sells, and usually pretty quickly. This was a bigger investment than I usually make, 18. But again, it goes to charity, and I love Otagiri. So it may not move quickly, but I'm guaranteed it will move. So let's see some research I found on that. This pretty cup and saucer set is from Noritake, 1960s, and in great condition. They had a lot of them, but unfortunately and sadly, many of them were chipped, which happens. I'm amazed that so many things actually survive as long as they do in the world. So I ended up getting two. When it comes to any cup and saucer situation, I like to get at least two, and then if I have more, maybe four. Even numbers seem to work better. But again, it's marked, so I was able to research it very easily. And let's see what I found out about this really pretty Noritake set. The final item, you did not see it on the shopping video. It's in the background. I was looking at something else. And when I went back to that section when I was done filming, it caught my eye, which it had not done the first time. So it's this beautiful marbled ceramic coffee or teapot. Most likely tea. It has a strainer on the inside. But the reason I picked it up is it's made in Japan, marbleware by George Briard. And I've sold many things from George Briard. He was most popular in the 60s and 70s, and he created a lot of glasses and plates and things like this for department stores, such as, and this is going back, Bonwit Teller, B. Altman, Lord & Taylor. So he was kind of an in-house brand for a lot of these department stores that sadly don't exist anymore. So I was really happy when I purchased this, and you can see why. Here's my research. That's my little haul video with some of the research I did. So if all the planets align, let me show you what my potential is. And again, thanks for coming by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm working on a giveaway for channel subscribers linked into Instagram. It's going to be a free art giveaway, so stay tuned for those details. But check out the potential that exists in this little but mighty haul.